Okay. Tell me your full name and five famous personalities with your name. Also tell them.
Sir, my name is. Yes, that's it, sir.
Now prove that you are an stable person, as in your previous life you have an unstable man regarding your study, job, and all that.
Uh, Sir, I'm real. Sir, I think I'm a stable man because the situations made me uh, to choose from one job to another and to choose a different stream of education. But the path which I choose, I really excelled in it, and mm, um,
Yes,
sir,
yes.
yes, sir. I have maintained my stability in a specific group or specific things which I do. For example, if I was given any CPC work or if I was given any correspondence clerk work, without changing my ideas or views or my capabilities, I put my 100% in it, and I stably put my work, and I continue to do it, sir. I didn't jump here and there, but I continue to do my work here and there.
Okay. What is the sex ratio and literacy rate of?
Um, Sorry, sir. I don't
Okay.
know. I'll just look into it.
Uh, Recently, we have seen that Andhra Pradesh has three capitals, and
Yes,
I think it is four or three. Tell everything
three,
about
sir.
it. Okay, tell everything about it. You know.
Sir, actually, initially, Andhra Pradesh, before bifurcation, it is Hyderabad, sir. But after bifurcation, our CM Jagan Mohan Reddy got into a plan of making it into three capitals. One is Visakhapatnam, one is
Mhm,
Amaravati,
mhm.
um, one is the Amaravati, and one, yes, sir, Vijayawada, Visakhapatnam, Amaravati, and that's it, sir. Visakhapatnam
Kurnool,
is, sir,
Kurnool,
Kurnool, yes, sir.
Kurnool. Huh? So, which is executive capital?
Sir,
Which one is executive capital of Andhra Pradesh?
executive capital is Visakhapatnam.
And and what about Kurnool and Amravati?
Kurnool comes under legislative, I think, sir. Um,
Definitely, you don't know the. Okay,
uh,
David.
yes, sir.
Amravati to Amravati. Tell me the exact distance. Amravati to Amravati. Amravati, Andhra Pradesh, and Amravati, Maharashtra. Okay, leave it.
Exact.
Tell me the exact distance of Andhra Pradesh coastline.
Andhra Pradesh, sir.
Andhra Pradesh coastline.
No, sir, I don't mind look into it, sir.
नो योर स्टेट. अपने स्टेट के बारे में जानकारी रखिए. ठीक है.
Yes.
हाउ मेनी लैंग्वेज डू यू अंडरस्टैंड एंड नो हाउ टू स्पीक?
Sir, I understand three, sir,
Yeah.
and I speak three: Telugu, English, and Hindi, sir. Hindi, I think 80% I can manage, sir.
तो मतलब you are weak in Hindi and strong in Telugu and English.
Yes, sir.
Your mother tongue is
Yes,
Telugu.
Telugu, sir. Yes.
Yeah. Then introduce yourself in Telugu.
Okay, sir.
इसमें कुछ संस्कृत का accent मैच करता है क्या?
Uh, Thoda, sir. I try to manage totally in Telugu, sir. A little bit difficult language, sir.
Okay. And now come to the international issues. How Talibani government is bad for our Indian peace and security purpose.
Yes, sir. Sir, initially ours is a friendly nation with Afghanistan, but after the Taliban has overthrown, came into control in Afghanistan, it is mainly their ruling is mainly violent in nature, sir. Their ruling is totally violent in nature, and it is definitely a threat to our country because it mainly funds. It is also responsible for the hinterland terrorism in our country.
Mhm.
It only believes that it is also responsible for many attacks in which will be in many attacks which will be which might cause in India, sir.
Mhm.
Um,
And
it,
what
for,
about it is a it is a mother organization of every terrorist group.
yes, sir. It is a mother.
Mother organization. Okay. In recent news, PM Modi has talked about cryptocurrency. Tell the Prime Minister's concerns. उन्हें किन बात की ज्यादा चिंता है?
Sir, I don't know his views, but I can tell about the cryptocurrency negative effects which the Indian country is worried about, sir.
Tell that.
Sir, cryptocurrency is the one which I think, sir, it is way for illegitimate illegitimate currency, and it is definitely has a negative impact on the economy of any country. And ours is a developing country, and it has a negative effect because the sir, this here in cryptocurrency, the senders and the receivers identity is unknown. So the amount of money which is being transacted, I think it's tax free, sir. So there is a way for
What about gap
there is a
of poor people and rich people?
yes, sir. Because of this, the rich people might become richer and the poor people might become poorer, sir. Because because
will
of this
it,
cryptocurrency.
it will completely destroy our Indian economy because poor person or middle order person have no access to dark web, and even I can say 99.99% person of our India don't know about dark web, so they can't use them directly. And some platforms like DigiCoinX introduced by someone and which जिनके ब्रांड एम्बेसडर आयुष्मान खुराना है, आपने देखा होगा डिजी कॉइनिक्स का एडवर्टीजमेंट करते हैं, वो क्रिप्टो करेंसी का है। प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने कहा था कि हमें क्रिप्टो करेंसी को गलत हाथों में जाने से बचाना होगा, ये बात उन्होंने कही। तो कहीं ना कहीं गवर्नमेंट हमारी क्रिप्टो करेंसी को लॉन्च करने वाली है, इसको सपोर्ट करने वाली है, तो इसके बैड इम्पैक्ट्स जो भी हैं उनको थारोली रीड करिएगा और इस पर सवाल आने की पूरी चांसेस हैं, ठीक है। PM Modi declared to withdraw agri bills. Is it was an political stunt?
Sir, actually, we might think, sir, it's not definitely, we can't come into consideration, sir, but repairing of farmers' loss is definitely a good act which PM Modi has taken. It's not, I think PM Modi has looked into the welfare of various farmers and their agitations. Because of that, PM Modi might look in. Sir, it's no, sir. Actually, we can say that it's not a political thing. But before elections, it had come. But many agitations are going on, and much pressure is on the government. So I think all the corners, and he has looked into this. And this repealing of farmers' loss is definitely a good thing, which good
I
thing to the
think
government as well as.
रिसेंटली जो उपचुनाव हुए हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश में, पंजाब में, मध्य प्रदेश में, वहां पे इन्होंने सीट्स नहीं जीती हैं। बिहार में भी एक सीट का चुनाव हुआ है, तो उसको देखते हुए, हार को देखते हुए इन्होंने अपना डिसीजन चेंज किया हुआ है।
Sir, actually, much of the farmers, much of this agitation is from Punjab and Haryana, no, sir, because much of these AMCs are there present there. So much of the pressure is from that two states, and most of the farmers are being worried about this from those two states. So I think because of that pressure, understanding situations from various corners, PM Modi has changed his mind and.
ओके, तो अपकमिंग इलेक्शंस किन किन स्टेट्स में होने हैं?
उत्तर प्रदेश सर, बिहार, पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सर।
सही से नहीं पता है आपको, ध्यान दीजिएगा।
यस सर।
And tell me everything about NSA. What do you know about NSA, National Security Advisor?
Sir, National Security Advisor is a person who looks into the total security, total internal security of our country. It mainly National Security Advisor mainly gives the right ideas or advises the Prime Minister about the threats, about the how to manage the threats and how to cope with it.
ये आपका चौथा इंटरव्यू है, इसको सीरियसली लीजिए, हेल्प नहीं मिलने वाली, ध्यान रखिएगा।
Yes sir.
Justify that you are not coming for heavy salary in our organization.
Heavy salary, sir?
Yes. Justify that you are not joining IB only for this much salary, 1 lakh per month approximately.
Yes, sir. Sir, basically after my BTech, I have chosen a software stream where the growth is much more, where the growth is much more than compared to any of the government jobs. But due to few reasons, I have selected the government jobs. Sir, my main aim is to join in an organization where challenges are there, where I can confidently showcase my skills and all. Money is not the priority, sir. If money is the priority, I would definitely be working in a software organization. And after 1 or 2 years, it's been 3 years, sir. In these 3 years, I think I can easily cross 1 lakh or so per annum. But I think that job doesn't fit me. So this.
Okay. And also prove that and tell us that how much you are honest person and patriotic person. How can you prove that immediately to us that you are patriotic and honest?
Yes, sir. Firstly, I think I'm very much concerned about the India's plans, India's programs and its development. I'm definitely patriotic, sir, because from the childhood onwards, I think by the resume you can see I have done my NCC. Sir, I have done my NCC, and in BTech I have done a short film, which is based on first thing I have done NCC, sir. Second thing, the Narendra Modi, after coming into power, he had launched Swachh Bharat mission. Sir, I'm very much greatly inspired by that mission, and we collectively, along with my friends, had done a short film based on the Swachh Bharat. and I'm really motivate. I will be really motivated if to sir. I think I'm very much concerned about these type of things towards the development of the country, and mm, I think out of the box, and I'm very much concerned about the
Okay.
situations in the yes sir. So
What will be done by an authority after communal riots?
sorry sir.
What will be done by an authority after communal riots?
Sir, during the communal rights, the authority, the authority first to calm down the situation, it um, it launches the rapid action force, CRPF's rapid action force into force to calm down the situation and to cause and to eradicate much damage being caused. After the communal rights, it tries to pacify both the communities, explaining about the reality of the situation and what's what's the main reason behind these riots. It tries to explain the people and create the awareness that the so and so has happened, and it's only due to the negative information, or it's only due to the negative communalism or spreading of few other groups because of the
What about giving protection to a group person? What about to cut the power supply? What about to cut the internet supply?
sir, to cause a much damage, sir, to avoid much damage being caused. I think internet connection, connectivity, these things they might cut, sir, because of this, most of the other students or most of the other people get agitated and agitated and result into much
Via fake
destruction, sir,
news.
via fake news, sir.
Yes. First of all, you have to cut down the network of fake news. Then after, deploy forces and give protection to the aggrieved group and arrest some people, or if you are given orders to shoot, then go ahead. Do you know about Gajwa-e-Hind?
Sir,
Have you heard about Gajwa-e-Hind?
no, sir.
Gajwa-e-Hind पढ़िएगा इसे. Tell me all security issues in all direction of India, every directions of India, uh, as North India, South India, East India, West India, Northeast India. Tell me everything about everything.
Sir, the main security issues are from six. Actually, first issue is from the northwest, sir. Northwest, which is from Pakistan and Afghanistan. Sir, border security force. Border security force is guarding the border of northwest. But there, much of the India is under threat by these militants, which ISI is funding, and they fund the militants in the border forces of this one, which might cause damage, to the northeast, sir. In northeast, we might have danger from Pakistan and Afghanistan, and sir, from after we also have another is from China, sir. China, Indo-Tibetan border force is guarding that. But sir, from China, sir, from China, the similarly, we have issues with China, sir, due to this counterfeiting currency and all. We might face some problem with that, sir. Second is third is the northeast, sir. Hello, sir. Third is from northeast. Yes, sir. Third is from northeast, sir. We have many insurgents groups, and from northeast, Assam Rifles is mainly guarding that, and we have the ranger of drug trafficking and other things, drug trafficking and counterfeiting of currency and smuggling from the borders of Myanmar. Sir, we can also have through the Golden Triangle, which is from northeast, the drug trafficking goes on, sir. That's the main thing. And along from Gujarat to Tamil Nadu, sir, the coastal line. Coastal line, the 2008 Mumbai terror attacks came from this. The Pakistani groups, ISI groups got entered from terrorist groups got entered from this coastal line via coastal, and they had attacked the Mumbai, sir. So that's the another threat from the coastal line from Gujarat, and one more threat is the left-wing extremism, which is from Nepal, Pashupati to Tirupati, sir. Means approximately 11 states. We have 11 states around, and most of the insurgent groups are from strong insurgent groups are from Chhattisgarh, sir, Dandakarya region.
Okay.
So,
do you have knowledge about MMC corridor?
Sir?
MMC corridor.
MNC, sir?
MMC, double MC corridor.
MMC corridor.
Red corridor के बारे में जानकारी क्या?
I have the idea, sir. It's Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and Chhattisgarh's tri-junction, sir.
Okay.
The Dandakarya region where most of the Naxals are present, most of the left-wing extremism are present, and we can't, and our forces are difficult to enter.
ये जो दंडकारण्य आप बार-बार नाम ले रहे हैं, दंडकारण्य का जो एरिया है, ये किस स्टेट में है ये?
It's in Chhattisgarh, sir. Most of the thing is in Chhattisgarh. It's in Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra, sir.
दंडकारण्य. तो
yes, sir.
जो मध्य प्रदेश में दंडकारण्य का हिस्सा है, उसको कौन से जंगल कहते हैं?
और in Madhya Pradesh में Balaghat district, in Balaghat district, sir.
अचानक मार अमरकंटक नाम सुना है आपने?
अमरकंटक, sir? No, sir.
अमरकंटक सुना होगा?
अमरकंटक is, I think it's a place, sir.
हाँ, तो जो आपका दंडकारण्य महाराष्ट्र में फैला हुआ है जंगल, उसमें मध्य प्रदेश में अचानक मार अमरकंटक का जंगल है, वो मध्य प्रदेश में आता है, ठीक है? और एक जंगल है अबूझमाड़ जंगल, ठीक है? इसके बारे में पढ़िएगा. Not only Dandakaranya is the hub of LWE, also these dense forests, Abujmar, Achanakmar, Amarkantak, it also provides a safe house, safe places for LWE. Recently, it is 2 days before or 1 day before, 2 senior leader of LWE has gunned down by our security forces. Name them and tell about the that happened in previous time.
Sorry, sir, I don't have. I didn't know about it.
महाराष्ट्र में एक सुरक्षा बलों का ऑपरेशन हुआ है. वहां पे 26 LWE मारे गए और उनके ऊपर टोटल 1,20 लाख रुपए का इनाम था, जिसमें सबसे बड़ा उनका लीडर था तेल तुंबड़े, उसका नाम था. उस पर 50 लाख का अकेले इनाम था, ठीक है? और इसी तरह का एक लीडर, बड़ा लीडर मारा गया है छत्तीसगढ़ में. पढ़िएगा. How much mental health is necessary for government officials?
Sir, I think mental pressure is the most thing which the government, mental pressure and mental stress is the most thing which government officials has to manage. Because, for example, take in my case, sir, I deal with public dealing, and I deal with most of the people, and I manage to handle situations. Most of the people, we need to be very patient, and to manage that, we stressed a lot, sir. So I think for government officials to maintain their composure, I think mental stress is the first and foremost thing which they need to get concerned, and
And
they need to be very patient.
what initiatives should be taken for these officials to maintain mental health?
Sir, recently, recently the to various departments, our government has introduced a yoga program, sir.
Okay.
Yoga program for the well-being of the government officials, and I personally has involved in it. So I think doing these type of activities and doing these type of activities might help, sir,
Okay.
to maintain the mental stress.
चलिए ठीक है। अब आपको हम 3 सवाल आपके लिए रखे हैं आज, और इसमें आप अपनी जो है सिचुएशनल और पर्सनल एनालिसिस के बारे में बताइएगा। आप हमें ये बताइए कि अगले 6 महीनों में किन किन राज्यों में या फिर किन किन क्षेत्रों में अशांति होने की संभावना है, तो इस वजह से वहां पर सिक्योरिटी को अच्छा कर देना चाहिए, इंटेलिजेंस एजेंसीज को ध्यान देना चाहिए।
I need to select three places, sir. Sir, first thing I select is the Chhattisgarh Naxalism region, which is Dantewada or other things, sir, because most of the left wing extremism exists there. First,
दंतेवाड़ा ना कहा करिए, इसको बोला करिए साउथ बस्तर, क्योंकि टोटल जो नक्सलिज्म है वो साउथ बस्तर में जाकर के सेंट्रलाइज्ड हो गया है, और वहां से बाहर अब बहुत कम ही संभावना है, क्योंकि जो सुरक्षा बलों की चौकियां होती हैं, जो उनके कैंप होते हैं, वो बहुत अंदर जंगलों तक अब बनवा दिए गए हैं। ठीक है, और इन कैंपों का विरोध करने के लिए नक्सली गांव वालों का सहारा लेकर के वहां पर धरना करवाते हैं, प्रदर्शन करवाते हैं, और गांव वालों अगर धरना प्रदर्शन नहीं करते हैं तो उनको मारते पीटते हैं, उन्हें ब्लैकमेल करके उनको धरना करवाते हैं सुरक्षा बलों के खिलाफ कि यहाँ से कैंप हटाया जाए। क्योंकि जब कैंप जंगलों के अंदर तक लग जाते हैं तो नक्सलियों का खुलेआम घूमना टहलना मुश्किल हो जाता है, गांव वालों से वसूली करना, गांव वालों का अनाज चोरी करना, ये सब मुश्किल हो जाता है उनके लिए। तो साउथ बस्तर का नाम लिया करिए। तो ठीक है, तो हाँ बताइए।
The second thing is I think I will prefer the northeast, sir. Because most of the insurgent groups are from northeast. Northeast insurgency is much more, sir, and the drug trafficking, etc. Most of the illicit activities are going on from Myanmar region. So I think. Third one, I prefer the Pakistan, the northwest border, sir, where I think I might prefer the line of control, the area under line of control, or the Punjab border, sir.
ये जो तीनों क्षेत्र आपने बताया, ये तीनों क्षेत्र पहले से ही एकदम टाइट सिक्योरिटी, टाइट इंटेलिजेंस से लैस हैं, और ये तीनों ही जो इश्यूज हैं ये बहुत पुराने इश्यूज हैं। इन पर कुछ रिसेंट के 6 महीनों में कुछ होना है या नहीं होना है, इसको प्रेडिक्ट किया जा एकदम आराम से किया जा सकता है, क्योंकि इस पर इंटेलिजेंस अपना बहुत अच्छा है, और जैसा कि ये पुरानी समस्या है। तो आप इसको अब और थोड़ा सा सोचिए कि आगामी 3, 4, 5 महीनों में कहां कहां पर कुछ हल्की फुल्की हिंसा, धरना, आंदोलन, दंगे हो सकते हैं, तो वहां पर सुरक्षा बढ़ाई जानी चाहिए। आप सोच पा रहे हैं कि नहीं सोच पा रहे हैं? चलिए जाने दीजिए, लीव इट। अगर आज आपको आईबी ऑफिसर बना दिया जाए तो आप आज की डेट में कितने रोल, कितने जॉब रोल अलग अलग परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं?
Sir, sorry, sir.
Okay. If you are an IB officer today, then how many different roles, how many different job roles can you perform as an disguised person or an undercover agent?
So, sir, when I get posted as an IB officer, sir, I think I try to gather information from most of the sources, sir. I try to disguise myself, sir.
Only talk about how many different roles, how many different job roles can you perform today? Like you can be a teacher, you can be a drug peddler, you can be a beggar, you can be a like that.
Okay, sir.
How many professions you can perform today, different professions as an disguised person.
Okay, sir. Sir, as a disguised person, sir, I think I can be a shopkeeper, sir.
Hmm?
I can be a shopkeeper by selling anything on roads,
Or,
sir.
or,
I can be a teacher, sir, because I have teaching experience. So I think I can manage teaching, sir.
okay,
And sir, and, I can also be merchants, sir, fruit merchants or something, and fruit merchants or something who goes on. I can also be a daily wage worker, sir, where I go to a specific place, I work, but I think I can collect information from that place, sir.
suppose you are a samosa seller.
Yes, sir.
आपको आज ड्यूटी दी जाती है कि आपको समोसा सेलर बनना है, आपको समोसे बेचने हैं और वहां पे इंटेलिजेंस गैदर करना है। तो आप क्या क्या अरेंजमेंट्स करेंगे, उस समोसे की दुकान को कैसे मेंटेन करेंगे?
Sir, initially, I think I keep my arrangements, sir. By my at first, I will have a full-fledged knowledge about that. I will keep all the things which I need to do as a samosa wala, samosa merchant. So when I think I'm perfect with it, I keep an orderly, I arranged order, and I mainly concentrate on what I just I'll be keen on it, sir. I will be keen on the surroundings, and I think the samosas which I am selling to a specific person, I think I will be very. I will talk with them in
ओके,
such a way that
समोसे बनाने आते हैं आपको?
थोड़ा थोड़ा सर.
थोड़ा थोड़ा।
Yes, sir.
तो समोसे के अंदर जो भरा जाता है मसाला, वो क्या कैसे कैसे बनता है, बताइए, उसमें क्या क्या चीजें लगती हैं?
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, we take the mashed potatoes, onions, salt, chili powder, um, so thoda lemon, sir, and salt, chili powder, and thoda garam
सीड,
masala, sir.
कुमन सीड,
Sir, yes, sir. Cinnamon seed,
कुनम सीड, कमिन सीड, जीरा, कमिन सीड।
jeera, okay, and that's it, sir.
ओके, again you are an senior IB officer, like you have done 10 years duty successfully, and Mr. PM Modi has to attend a meeting in Pakistan. So, what will be security scan from your side at that place?
In Pakistan, sir.
Yes.
Oh, sir, the power went off, sir.
Okay, speak. Continue speaking.
Okay, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, sir, in Pakistan, we look into that. We look into it that there is no external threat from various various other. Sir, I think I will be vigilant with the people who come, sir, regarding journalists, sir, and the people who come to, sir, people who come to watch or people who have passes to look that specific meeting. I think we will be very much vigilant, sir. We look into it that the workers in that specific hotel or specific place where the meeting is going on, and the journalists there. I think they are not armed.
Okay.
They are not armed, sir. And
अगर आपको दो कमरे दिए जाएं एंट्री करने के लिए, एक कमरा है जिसमें एग्जिट गेट है और एक कमरा एग्जिट गेट नहीं है, तो आप किस में जाना प्रेफर करेंगे?
with exit gate and without exit gate, sir.
Yes, two rooms are there. Which one will you prefer to enter?
Sir, I prefer room without an exit gate, sir.
Okay. Okay, all the best for your future. I am disconnecting.
Okay, sir.